Obtaining a passport when one parent cannot provide consent.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this segment, we will discuss the requirements and procedures for obtaining a passport when one parent is unable to provide consent. This situation can arise in various circumstances, such as when parents are separated, divorced, or one parent is unavailable. Let's dive right in.
Consent requirements.
When it comes to obtaining a passport for a child, the consent of both parents or legal guardians is typically required. This is to ensure that both parties have a say in important matters concerning the child, including international travel. However, there are situations where one parent is unable or unwilling to provide consent. In such cases, additional steps need to be taken to proceed with the passport application.
Documentation and proof.
To obtain a passport when one parent cannot provide consent, the parent applying for the passport must provide documentation and proof to support their case. This documentation is essential to demonstrate that obtaining the passport is in the best interest of the child. The specific requirements may vary depending on the country or jurisdiction, so it is important to consult the relevant passport authority or embassy for accurate and up-to-date information. Typically, the following documents may be required. 1. Legal documentation. This may include court orders, custody agreements, or any legal documentation that outlines the custody arrangement or grants sole custody to one parent. 2. Written consent. If the non-consenting parent is simply unavailable but willing to provide consent, a written and notarized statement may be required. This statement should clearly state the non-consenting parent's consent for the child to obtain a passport. 3. Proof of unavailability. In cases where the non-consenting parent is unavailable or cannot be located, evidence of efforts to contact the parent, such as certified mail or court documents, may be necessary. 4. Evidence of sole custody. If one parent has been granted sole custody by a court, it is crucial to provide the official documentation or court order indicating this arrangement.
Special circumstances.
In some cases, there may be special circumstances that further complicate the passport application process. For example, if there are concerns about child abduction or a history of domestic violence, additional steps may be required to ensure the child's safety. In such situations, it is crucial to consult with legal professionals or local authorities who can provide guidance on the appropriate course of action.
Application process.
Once you have gathered all the necessary documentation and evidence, you can proceed with the passport application process. It is advisable to contact the passport authority or embassy in your country or jurisdiction to obtain the specific application forms and instructions. When filling out the application, make sure to highlight the special circumstances and provide all the relevant documentation to support your case. It is essential to be thorough and provide accurate information to avoid delays or complications during the review process. Obtaining a passport when one parent is unable to provide consent requires additional steps and documentation to demonstrate that it is in the best interest of the child. Remember to consult the relevant passport authority or embassy for accurate and up-to-date information regarding your specific situation. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the requirements and procedures involved in obtaining a passport when one parent is unable to provide consent. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.